Welcome to this tutorial on bean configuration in Spring. In this tutorial, we will explore the basics of bean configuration in Spring Framework. Before we dive into bean configuration, we should first understand what Spring beans are. In Spring, a bean is an object that is managed by the Spring IAC container, and it's a fundamental building block of a Spring application. Now let's discuss how to configure beans in Spring. One way to configure beans in Spring is through XML configuration. In XML configuration, we define beans in an XML file with a defined structure. Let's take a look at an example. In this example, myBean, the Spring container will create an instance of this bean and manage its lifecycle. Another way to configure beans in Spring is through Java configuration. In Java configuration, we define beans using Java code annotated with Spring annotations. Here's an example. In this example, the Spring container will use the return value of this method as the bean instance. In summary, beans are at the core of Spring Framework. We can configure beans using XML configuration or Java configuration. Thank you for watching this tutorial on bean configuration in Spring. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding!